Every child is a different kind of flower and altogether make this world a beautiful garden. We all are aware that 14th November, the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, is celebrated as Children's Day every year as a tribute for his love and affection to the kids. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country.
Happy morning and hearty welcome to the virtual Children's Day celebration. Happy Children's Day to one and all. Today, let's pray for a heart free of sadness, a mind free of worries, a life full of gladness, a body free of illness. Let's start today's celebration invoking the blessings of God.
Planting a good idea in the morning fills your mind with positivity. I now call Ms. Sri Lakshmi to share a refreshing thought.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is the children of today are the builders of a brave new world, a world without want. I repeat, the children of today are the builders of a brave new world, a world without want, by Dada J.P. Vaswani. Children, you are the future of our country. So, on this day, I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi ma'am, for sharing a wonderful thought. While we try to teach children about life, they teach us what life is all about. Now, let's welcome Ms. Manju Bhaktani to share her Children's Day message.
Hello, everyone. Birthdays are special for you, for me, and for everybody. So, it is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, which is celebrated as Children's Day. I think not only 14th November, but every day should be celebrated as a Children's Day, because in every human being, there is an inner child. It is not only about giving gifts to children, wishing them, and organizing events for them on this day, but it is to realize the importance of children, provide them opportunities to open their wings and fly high to achieve their goals. It is a duty of every citizen to see that children get education and have good physical and mental health. Every child is equal, as all the drops of the ocean are same. The foundation of each child should be so strong enough that they're able to face the challenges of life. The child should be given a complete freedom to unleash themselves and explore their interests and take the path of their calling. This is possible only through proper education and holistic development. The best gift we can give to children on Children's Day is give them an atmosphere free of any kind of fear. Help them build their self-worth. Educate them about how to cope up with stress and worries. Empower them with a lot of courage, self-respect, and self-love so that they don't give up in life but always give in. And finally, be their friend, philosopher, and guide so that even if they fall, they know there is someone behind them to hold them and protect them. Let's celebrate this Children's Day with the thought that there is a child in each one of us, and let us cherish this child with immense love and affection and positivity. Thank you.
Thank you, Manju ma'am. Music is pure and magical. It moves, it heals, and it communicates. Let's welcome the music department for an enchanting performance.
Friends, that was a treat to our ears, isn't it?
Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. There can be no real achievement without any struggle. Here comes the accomplishments of our young minds for the year 2021-22.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए। आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
no matter how big or small, is worth being happy about and cherished. Congratulations, children. Next comes the dazzling performance from our dance department to make you all rock and roll.
Ta jum num ta rum ta dhalam kutak taku da da gida ta jum taka jum ta takita ta da ta jum gida jum ta tanum ta rum ta takita ta da gida ta tarita ta dhanata ta runata ta dimita ta da jum tanum rum tagadim takida.
It's the thought of PM when your heart's just like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John and to that feeling we're just getting started.
When the nights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind,
Just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say,
I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah,
let's make a place and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools.
we don't need to worry, just when we fall we know how to dance.
Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Thank you, friends, for the energetic performance. Let's welcome our beloved principal, Ms. Arpita, to say a few words and wish them good luck on this special day.
Good morning, children. A very happy Children's Day to my admirable students. Childhood is a special phase of life, and you all should live life to the fullest during this time. Childhood becomes the best phase of life, which should be healthy and happy for every child, so that you're ready to lead your nation ahead. 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day all over India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru was considered to be a great leader as well as a polished statesman. But the one thing that was admired about him was his love for children. He appealed to children to climb the ladder of success with utmost dignity and respect. Children are the building blocks of the nation, and we urge you to grow in an optimistic manner. If a country seems to be developed and prosperous, the only reason is the young minds behind this aspect. Children, you have new and innovative ideas to make our nation proud. We cannot ignore your involvement and contribution in the life of your parents, teachers, and other people related in your life. To make this occasion happier, Mirabai House teachers have put up a wonderful show. I hope you all have enjoyed watching it. May all your wishes be fulfilled and always be blessed. Dada Sham.
Thank you for the inspiring words, ma'am. We now have Ms. Aisha of English Department to recite a poem for our dear children.
A very good morning to all the children out there. A happy Children's Day to one and all. Today, I would like to read out a poem titled An Ode to My Students. Children are the future and our duty to nurture and care for them and fight so that they're able to lead the world towards light. Little children are a treasure, giving us love to no measure. The greatest gift we will ever know is a child born to love and grow. A child, a precious gift is, who will thrive on every hug and kiss. Hold them close and sing them songs. They will be only a child for so long. Let no one steal your dreams. Let no one tell you you can't. Let no one hold you back. Let no one tell you won't. Let your sights and keep them fixed. Let your sights on high. Let no one steal your dreams. Your only limit is the sky. Let no one steal your dreams. Follow your heart, follow your soul. For only when you follow them will you feel truly whole. So fly, fly, fly up high in the sky, as sky is your limit. Thank you, Dada Sham.
Thank you, Aisha ma'am. That was really wonderful. I now call upon Ms. Sirisha of Social Department to deliver the oath of thanks.
Thank you, dear teachers, for putting up a lovely show for our dear children. Thank you, Dr. Sir, Arpita ma'am, and MB House wardens for being the perfect host. Dada Shyam.
Now we have the teaching fraternity of SVIS to greet their children prosperity and good luck today, tomorrow, and always through this video.
Hello children, you're the light of the world, you're the stars in the sky, you're the light of the world, you're the stars in the sky. May you shine like a moon star, glow like the sunshine. You are the light of the world. May you shine like a moon star, glow like the sunshine. You are the light of the world. You are the birds in the garden. You are the light in the darkness. May you bloom like a rosy flower, spread the fragrance of love. You are the birds in the garden. May you bloom like a rosy flower, spread the fragrance of love. You are the birds in the garden. You're the promise of tomorrow. You're the future of the nation. May you feel the happiness in heart, spread the brightness of truth. You are the promise of tomorrow. May you feel the happiness in heart, spread the brightness of truth. You are the promise of tomorrow. Hello.